Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kamiq Style 1.0 TSI 110BHP in sleek black. This powerful 1-litre engine vehicle offers comfort and convenience with Bluetooth phone, cruise control, remote boot release, and electric folding mirrors. Stay safe on the road with front fog lights, parking assistance, LED lights, and Tyre Pressure Indicator. Ride in style with alloy wheels, privacy glass, and roof rails. Plus, enjoy the stop and start system for added efficiency. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out, call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information on this amazing deal.